about you, Peter? You ready to ride with your dad?
Absolutely. More comfortable, yeah.
All right. Yeah.
I'm gonna have lunch. We're on our lunch break. Let's see what they got.
Are you waiting for the restroom?
I am. Yeah, I just finished lunch. Finished lunch. I'm walking back. It's right there. Do you see that brick building? Right there. That's where it is. So it's not far. It's a very short distance walk. And we should only have a few hours left, but say we should be done by 4 or 5 o'clock. It is about to be 1. So we're making good time. I feel really good about it. We're able to ride on second gear. We're working on shifting gears and turning. So all in all, I feel more confident than I did the first time. The first driving class that I took was years ago, at least 2 years, 2-3 years. But I feel way better this time. So let's go. And the burger was so good. I ate all of it, and the chips were amazing. I usually don't order chips, but I'm glad I tried them. They were really good, and they were not salty. They had salt, but they weren't like flavorless, but they weren't like extra salty. A gorgeous day. I also want to advise you to take your driving class. Please don't wait till the fucking summertime. I think that's another factor that played into it. When I took my first class, it was in the middle of June. It was scorching hot. We're in March, and we have great weather right now. So if you're thinking about doing a class, please catch it now before it gets to be summertime. The classes fill up super fast because everybody wants to get in to be able to ride their bike by the summertime. So right now would be the perfect time. And if you're not ready right now, just do your research. Look at motorcycles. Watch tutorials, driving classes of how to shift, how to just start doing little things. And I promise you it's going to make a difference.
At least that way I can keep an eye on it a little bit. And the other daughter that's not interested in it at all, I wouldn't have any trouble with her. Because she's she may speed a little bit, but she's not gonna go crazy. And my youngest daughter, she'll be trying to do the wheelies and endos and anything to get attention.
I'm worried about my second kid. He's 14 right now, 2 years. That's when he's gonna get his driver's license. He's already talking about sports cars and like what he wants.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I'm teaching my oldest kid. He just got his permit, so I took him out once, and I started screaming at him like as soon as he. What are you doing? Like, Dad, can we go home?
Yeah. And what we did with ours is we said, you can get a $4,000 car. So, hey, that pretty much eliminates any sports car. And we'll put 2,000 towards it, and you put 2,000 towards it. So when you save up the 2,000 for your car, we can go get a car. And
That's a good idea.
another thing I told them is, a lot of people don't know this, but up until the child is 18, the parent can revoke their license. And so I'm